What's up, Fit Family? Coach Sean here, and I'm here to share with you guys my secret weapon. This is EnduraBoost from Pure and Easy Tea. And this tea is made from the purest ingredients. I'm a top tier coach, and for me, that is an absolute non-negotiable. I like to start my day with a warm cup before my cardio sessions. No sugary junk, no chemical-laden drinks for me ever. Just pure, clean energy. And instead of pre-workout, I usually go with the EnduraBoost cold brew tea option. It's so much healthier. It doesn't have any of that junk, the fillers, the crap. Pure, clean, whole energy. And at night, another warm cup helps me recover and unwind. It's the perfect end to a productive day. EnduraBoost Tea is meticulously crafted to elevate your game, optimizing both physical and cognitive abilities. So if you want to unleash your inner athlete with EnduraBoost, elevate your performance, surpass your goals, and embrace the strength. Trust me, guys, you won't be disappointed.